clock in with another one, man. Boy, we got another cold one, boy. Another cold one, man. They said we supposed to get some more snow. Ooh, it's gonna be cold, I'm telling you. So on that note, you know I gotta get my dogs straight. I gotta get my dogs straight. Ain't nobody gonna take care of them but me. So I gotta get my dog. I gotta keep them straight. So I'm about to go get them some heat right now. I'm about to take KANE now. I ain't started KANE in about 3-4 days, man. This dude wouldn't start, won't say nothing. But like he'll try to act like he wanna start right up. Then I waited about 2-3 more hours, he started right back up again. So today, let's see what he gonna do, man. It's another cold day. Another cold day in the city, man. We must see what he gonna do.
Me, I want what's coming.
Let's see what he gonna do. Alright, Eddie got the camera on. You gonna do? Oh, that sound like the battery right there. Man, I can't win. Now the battery gone. Now the battery gone in Eddie, man. The battery gone now, so I'm about to jump the battery real fast. Alright, so now the battery gone. I thought it was the starter, but as you see now, it's the battery. It's the battery gone, man. The battery gone. Let's see. It's the ooh, it's cold, boy. Nose running, eyes running. And Eddie wanna act up. We get something out them posts down, make sure they down good. Yep. Wind blowing on, knock the hood down. That post right there look like it's up a little bit. I'm about to see something. That's down right there. That's down. So I'm about to get my jumper cable and jump this joint real fast. That's crazy, Eddie, when he start. Nope. It's cold weather, man. He can't do nothing. It's cold weather. Let me see what the purple car gonna do. Let me see what he gonna do. Hold on. Put these jumper cables on there. Y'all know you got to color coordinate. You got color coordinate. Black over here, red over here. Negative and positive. Over there. Got my two right there, ain't touching. Y'all never let them joints touch. You never let them touch now because it's spark fire. Then you come over here. And you do the same thing. Color coordinate. They go red, they go black. They go black right there. And then I got my cables on. I'm about to see what they're gonna do. It'll shut down. I gotta find a stick or something for him real fast. Hold on. Alright, Eddie started up, so it's the battery. I gotta go get Eddie a new battery. Cold, my hands cold, eyes running, nose running. It's cold out here, man. Out here messing with cars, bro. This is what I do, bro. This is what I do. This is what I do, man. All in the cold, rain. I don't care. Nope. I'm out here getting it, bro. Take these cables off. You never let them touch when they are on the battery now. Alright, so I got that right. Go ahead and shut this hood down. Got that right. Put this in here. Turn the purple car off. Oh yeah. Here jumper cables. I might need them again. Put them in Eddie. Put the jumper cables in Eddie because Eddie might need them. Boy riding good, boy. He riding good, I'm telling you. This dude is something else, man. It's like he got a mind of his own. He just do what he bro, I'm telling you now, ain't no cap now. Dude right here, man. I don't know what's wrong with him. But like I said, man, I'm gonna put a new starter and a new battery on it. And I'm gonna see where we're gonna go from there. But y'all already know my purple one got to be built in about I got 2 months on that project. I got 2 months on my purple joint, man. So I gotta go ahead and get that in the shop and go ahead and get that built up. But yeah, my purple one coming up next. After that, I don't know, man. I told y'all, man. Like I can't tell y'all what's going on because I really don't know. This is all God doing. You know what I'm saying? So as it get close, then I can tell you. Like right now, I don't know what's going on. I got the box in place. I got my Tahoe in place. I got scooter going on. I got of course the purple car going on. I'm working slow on Dolph. What else? I'm working on Hennessy. That's my little Corolla. Working on Hennessy. Hey, man, that cold weather, man, killing me, man. Killing me. But yeah. What else I got? The other 2 vids. They one of them I might sell. I might sell one of them. I might bless one of the boys with this one right here, man. Look like sun in my eye, but it ain't. This is how, I guess it's the lights up here. Like something's in my eye, like that's why I keep looking like, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. But I'm gonna bless one of the boys with my 04.